In 1919, a simple aluminium paperweight inspired a pioneering British engineer. His ideas would change the automotive world forever. That engineer was W.O. Bentley. His innovations led to brave pursuits and glorious victories. Attracting extraordinary owners, the daring Bentley boys and girls brought style to grand touring and triumph to the racetrack. The cars became faster, the craftsmanship finer. Their success drove Bentley forward into a world where innovation and craft work in unique harmony. Almost 100 years later, and still the very definition of grand touring, that spirit lives on.